These are 2 easy pie pan meals to make on your next camping trip. First, we're going to make pie pan pizzas. We make these every camping trip. Start with 2 slices of bread. Butter one side of each slice and then place the buttered sides together so you can prep the rest of it. Add pizza sauce and spread it to cover the inside of the bread. Add your favorite pizza toppings like pepperoni, sausage, or olives. We bring all of the toppings prepped and ready ahead of time. After that, top it with a large pinch of mozzarella cheese. Now they're ready to start cooking. Be sure to spray your pie pans with cooking spray so that they're easy to remove once they're done. Pick up the slice full of your toppings and place it buttered side down into the pie pan. Then place the remaining piece of bread on top with the buttered side facing up. Add the other half of the pie pan and clamp it shut. Rotate your pie pans over a campfire for a few minutes until they're golden brown. This next meal is perfect for a campsite breakfast. We make scrambled eggs ahead of time and vacuum seal them until we need them for this meal. This time, instead of adding pizza toppings, we're adding a slice of cheese and our scrambled eggs. If you'd like, you can also add sausage, peppers, or onion. These can be cooked over a campfire like we did with the pizzas, or you can cook them on a charcoal grill. These are very hot once they're done, so be sure to let them cool before enjoying them. The possibilities in these pie pans are endless. Happy camping!